Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have this old school Pioneer KEH-P4400 cassette tape deck. I just wanted to show you how this unit is functioning. Everything works. However, the display is dim, as you can see there. Let's go ahead and turn this on. We've got the tuner.
You need for tax help you can trust. Call Optima today for a free consultation.
Mike, you hit the todas mis oportunidades.
Tax relief. Some restrictions apply. For complete details, please visit. You gotta keep them separated.
Okay. If you want to if you want to program your presets, all you have to do is hit and hold one of the presets, and it will not beep, but it just takes a few seconds by holding it down, and now it's set. So let's do that again with another. Hold it down, 98.3. Let it go. 98.3. And this is the one right before it. I'm not going to go to any specific radio stations with music just because of copyright issues. So let's go ahead and increase the volume back again and just briefly go through and do a station tuning. You can also hold down the BSM button, which is best station memory, and what it does is it searches for the strongest stations, then it puts it into your presets. Okay. Okay, so you've got three sets of 6 presets. FM1. Hold on. So we've got 18 presets on FM and then 6 on AM. If you want to change the sets FM1 to FM2, just hit the band button and you're good to go. There's AM and you let's go back to FM. All right, so that's your radio and then your cassette. Again, I'm not gonna stay on any particular song for a long time because of copyright. Okay, we've hit the rewind all the way through, so let's just go ahead and
We'd be lovers
to adjust any kind of um, to make any audio adjustment, just hit the shift button and you can go to fader, the bass control, the loud button. So there's loud, and to activate it, you hit the right key and then the left key to turn it off. Fader goes to the front, rear, left, and right. And then bass control, treble control, up, down, up, bass. All right, so really the basics of this whole thing. And then what else can I show? I'm gonna eject here. And on a previous video, I also had showed how the clock can be adjusted. Hold it down, hold the clock button down, and then hit your preset 1, preset 2, and that's it. So there are a lot more features on this unit. I just didn't want to make this video way too long. Just wanted to show you the basics of this unit. The issue again is it's a bit dim on this left side. I don't know why. So if I turn off the light, and you can see that it's much brighter on this side, and the back illumination and the buttons are actually on that side, but on this side it's not. So that is the issue with this unit. Let's go take a look at the back of it. It's pretty simple. You've got your power connection and your speaker connection. Then you've got your P bus or your changer control, if you have a changer connected to it, not changer control, but the connection for it. And then you've got your left and right preamp output, then your antenna connection. All right, so that's pretty much it. Also, this unit is a detachable face unit, so you can easily take off the face for security purpose, and you can easily put it back on. As mentioned, this is a multi-CD changer control, but you obviously need a changer to go along with it. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed that quick video on the Pioneer KEH-P4400 cassette tape deck. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel that's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.